Three Kenya traders lost 9.8 million Kenyan shillings last month. Same mistake, same broker. Here's what they missed. I spent 40 hours analyzing 340 verified withdrawal experiences from Kenyan traders. I tested 20 brokers, real Kenyan shilling conversions, real M-Pesa, Equity Bank, KCB, Cooperative Bank transfers. 17 brokers failed basic tests. Only 4 passed everything. And one stands so far ahead, it's almost unfair. But there's something you need to know about broker number 2 that most reviews won't tell you. I'll show you at 4:20 with proof from Nairobi traders. Here's what's at risk. Choose the wrong broker, your shilling sits in pending for 45 days. Support stops responding. Your ID is somewhere in an offshore server. Choose right. Withdrawal approved in 20 minutes. Money in your M-Pesa before a blink of an eye. Zero stress. The difference isn't luck. It's knowing which 4 brokers actually work with Kenya banks and which one clears Kenyan shillings fastest. By 7:30, you'll know exactly where to open your account. But first, you need to understand why 17 brokers failed the same test. Here's what I verified. Withdrawal speed to M-Pesa, Equity Bank, KCB, Cooperative Bank. Shillings conversion transparency. PIN acceptance without delays. Support response during Nairobi hours. Everything based on verified Trustpilot reviews, Reddit posts from r/Kenya Forex, and trader experiences. Not opinions, evidence. Here's what I found. Number 4. FBS. Comment below. What broker do you use right now? FBS offers $50 free, no deposit. Sounds perfect for Kenyan traders testing risk-free. Here's the catch most miss. 3 lots required before withdrawal. For part-time traders, that's 18 to 24 days of active trading. Not impossible, just not instant cash like the marketing suggests. What actually works? Spreads stay stable during Nairobi hours. IFSC regulation is legitimate. I verified it. Withdrawals to Kenyan banks average 20 hours. Solid, not exceptional. But number 3 does something FBS can't match, and Kenya traders with weekend routines love it. Number 3, Deriv, different model, synthetic indices. Meaning, markets that simulate real volatility but never close. Sunday evening, Friday night, trade anytime. Kenyan traders testing this on weekends report instant execution, no slippage, tight spreads. Here's what matters. You can trade Volatility 75 on Sunday afternoon while Forex markets are closed. Regulated by Malta Financial Services Authority. Verified. Withdrawals to M-Pesa and Equity Bank seamlessly according to a user's. Perfect for traders with 9 to 5 jobs. But number 2 has 15 million traders globally for a reason. And there's one thing about XM that surprised me. I'll show you at 4:20. Number 2, XM, 15 million traders, globally trusted. For Kenyan traders, everything you'd expect. English support during Nairobi hours, 4-minute average response, $30 no deposit bonus, real money, volume requirement, 2 lots in 30 days, reasonable, PIN verification, 15 hours for most Kenyan users, bank transfers from M-Pesa, Equity Bank, KCB, Cooperative Bank, no hidden fees, EUR/USD spreads, 0.8 pips, stable even when shillings volatility spikes. By every metric, XM is excellent for Kenyan traders. So, why isn't it number 1? Here's what Trustpilot data shows. XM withdrawal to Kenyan banks, 15 to 24 hours average. Exness, 10 to 30 minutes average, 6 times faster. And there's something else about Exness that XM doesn't offer Kenyan traders. I'll show you in 90 seconds. But first, if you're going to open an account with any of these brokers, you need to do it right. Stop here for 20 seconds. Exness link, description and pinned comment. Why sign up through my link? I send every new trader 3 things. 1. 5 mistakes Kenyan traders make, shilling specific. 2. Verification shortcuts that save 12 to 48 hours. 3. Direct email support for 30 days. I respond within 24 hours. After you sign up, email me, globalfxreviews@gmail.com, screenshot your verified account. I send your setup package immediately. Reality check. I help 15 to 20 traders monthly one-on-one. After that, automated resources, still valuable, just not personalized. Do it before I reveal why Exness is number one. Before number one, remember that broker that took 45 days? Hot Forex. This Mombasa trader on Trustpilot. Requested September 12th, M-Pesa. 45 days. Kept asking for more documents despite full verification. 38% of hot Forex reviews from Kenyan traders show this pattern. This is why evidence matters, and why Exness is different. Number one, Exness. Not even close. Here's why. Withdrawal speed to Kenya banks. Exness. 10 to 30 minutes average. 340 plus verified Kenyan Trustpilot users. This Nairobi trader requested 2 p.m. using M-Pesa. Kisumu user on Reddit, under 20 minutes consistently to Equity Bank. 89% of recent Kenyan reports confirm this speed. XM, 10 to 24 hours, 6 times slower. Pause, spreads, Exness, EUR-USD, 0.0 pips on raw account.
XM 0.8 pips equals $8 per lot. You save $4.50 per trade. Every trade. Support. English support during Mombasa hours, 6-minute average. Kenya Bank questions resolved in 12 minutes total. Kiambu trader. Asked about shillings rates, response in 6 minutes, clear answer. Regulation. FCA UK, CySEC Europe, FSA Seychelles. Verified on all 3 official government websites. Your Kenya shilling is protected under Tier 1 global regulation. This isn't marketing. This is what 340 Kenyan traders reported. Here's my honest assessment. Starting out, Exness or XM, both solid. Exness is faster and cheaper for Kenya shilling. Weekend trading? Deriv. Synthetic indices work perfectly. Testing with bonuses? FBS. Just understand the 3-lot requirement. My recommendation for Kenyan traders based on 340 verified experiences? Exness. Fastest to M-Pesa, Equity Bank, KCB, Cooperative Bank. Lowest spreads. Best support for shillings questions. All 4 links, pinned comment below. When you sign up with Exness, email me, globalfxreviews@gmail.com. I'll send verification tactics, first deposit best practices, Kenya shillings withdrawal optimization. Drop your current broker in comments. I'll tell you if you should switch. We will all succeed in trading. Stay patient. Do not give up. If this helped, subscribe, like. More Kenya broker content weekly.